Hello. Today we are going to learn the A major scale. A major. All right, let's take a look over here at our circle of fifths. At the very top, it's like a clock. We have 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, or 12 o'clock is up at the top, then 1 o'clock, then 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock is right here. This is where A major lives, right here. We did C, then we did G, then we did D, and it goes up in fifths. That's why this is called the circle of fifths. C, C, D, E, F, G, and then G, A, B, C, D, and then D, E, F, G, A. And this has 0 sharps. This had 1 sharp. This had 2 sharps. And this one has 3 sharps. And the order of the sharps is fat cows go down and eat buttercups. So if we have 3 sharps here, we're going to use F, C, and G. All right, first we draw it on the piano keyboard. Let's start with A right here. A, then B. B is not one of our sharps, so it's just a white note. C, look up here. C is one of the sharps, so we go C sharp. D, E, no sharp. F, oh, that's one of our sharps, so F sharp. And then G is also one of the sharps, G sharp and A. That is the scale, A major scale, A up to A on the keyboard. Okay, moving down here to the staff, let's write it out. Treble clef and bass clef. And we are not going to put a key signature in. That means we're not going to put the sharps at the beginning. We're going to add them as we go. Let's do A right here. I'm just drawing them all as whole notes. A, B, C sharp. Now, do you notice up there when we wrote the letter and we wrote C and then we wrote the sharp afterwards? Because we say it C sharp. Now, it has to be written right here before the note, because when you're playing the piano and you come to C, if you don't see the sharp before the note, you could play C and then afterwards realize, oh, that was supposed to be a sharp. So they put the sharp before so you know exactly what to play when you get there. A, B, C sharp, D, E, F with a sharp before, G with a sharp before, and then up to A. Oh, I kind of took up more than, you can divide these into 4 in a little measure. A, G sharp, F sharp, E, D, C sharp, B, A. Okay, now in the bass clef, we'll start down here on A, right here on the bottom space. A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A, G sharp. Trying to hurry. All right, you can go ahead and just basically copy this. We've got it where it is on the circle of fifths right here at 3 o'clock with 3 sharps. These are the sharps. This is how it looks on the piano, and this is how it looks on the music staff, on the treble and bass staff. Now I'm going to change colors and we're going to talk about the fingering, and then I'll show you on the piano how to play it. First, let me just erase this arrow. That will be in my way. Okay, we start with the thumb. We'll play 1, 2, 3. 3 is a big deal, your third finger in the scales, because that's usually kind of a pivot note where we will move the hand. So the 3, we stop there on the 3 and put your thumb underneath. So I just draw a circle to note that, hey, something's changed. And then we have enough fingers now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, to finish up the scale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and the sharps come on number 3, and number 3 and number 4. We just do not want a sharp on the number 1 on your thumb. All right. So then coming back down, 5, we just follow the same fingering, only in reverse order. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then your third finger crosses over to finish up 3, 2, 1. Okay, the left hand does all 5 notes first. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just because of how the hand is, you can't stop on 3 and cross your pinky under. You can try that. It's very awkward. So it's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now here is where we cross over on the 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, thumb under, and then straight down all the fingers. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the tricky thing about getting scales is, do you see those circled notes? The overs and unders do not happen at the same time. So you don't have to write all this fingering on unless you want to, unless it's going to help you. But let's come on over here to the piano and I'll show you. Okay, we're going to start on A. 1, 2, 3. Right here we can move your thumb under and your hand hardly has to move. 2, 3. But then once I go under, I kind of move my whole hand up to finish. Okay, I ran out of fingers. So now I put my third over. Left hand, we do all 5. See, I'll show you on 5, 4, 3. If we try to put your pinky under, that's really weird. We don't want weird or awkward. We want smooth transitions in the scales. The third over. Together. And that is A major.